How to fix couldn't sync your saved data due to a conflict on PS5. To fix couldn't sync your saved data due to a conflict on PS5, try the below mentioned steps. 1. Check your internet connection. 2. Go to download/upload in your PS5 settings. 3. Locate the problematic app and open up view error info, then launch the yes option. Refer to the IMG below. 4. Go to the download to console storage tab at settings save data and game/app settings save data, PS5, cloud storage. Then re-download the game which gave you couldn't sync your saved data due to a conflict issue. 5. Delete the game. 6. Launch the game.